So I'm about to go to PT. Yeah, I'm just vlogging. Not sure what else I'm gonna do today. Probably gonna go to the gym, but if I do that, I definitely will. Oh, edges. I definitely will get to y'all. So yeah, I might film a little bit of me at PT, but yeah, y'all. So I couldn't record a lot from PT, but yeah, we got the work in, and then I really want to get my feet done, but if not, probably just go to the gym later, and that might be it for today.
Curly heads always do it the best.
Yeah.
Talk about it. What did you say? Bitch, I could have got out there. I could have put the hoop out. I could have did some jumps.
Okay, y'all. So that's it for the game. Tomorrow I get my lashes done, y'all. I'm so excited. Y'all don't understand how excited I really am for these lashes. Because it's been so long, and I just feel like lashes just make me look like a ultra mega baddie. And it's gonna look so cute with my makeup. Y'all just know, like, it's just been really, really good for me right now. And I'm so thankful and I'm so blessed. So yeah, y'all, I'm gonna see y'all in the morning. I'm gonna vlog a little bit of me getting my lashes done, and yeah. Okay, anyways, this shit finna burn, but yeah, y'all, I'm finna just make some breakfast. So I just made my breakfast. This is what we got. Honestly, y'all, I have no eggs, so I couldn't make eggs. And yeah, so it really just looks like I just have meat on my plate, but I gotta go to the store. Later I'm gonna make tacos. Tomorrow I might be with my bestie. Maybe have a girls' day, get my feet done, because I need my feet done so bad, y'all. But these lashes, get into it. Eight the down, like, yeah. But yeah, y'all, so whatever I do next, I'm finna vlog it and take y'all with me. So we decided to go to the grocery store. Gonna get a few things. Yeah, I don't know what we're finna get, but yeah, we finna get a few things. Y'all, we got the groceries. I go home, I'm finna make some tacos because I'm starving. Y'all, my lashes are so pretty, like, get into it. Face sitting, lashes sitting. Okay, y'all, it's a little dark, it's late. I think it's about to be it's about to be 10. Okay, anyways, it's about to be 10 o'clock and we're about to go to the gym because the grind don't stop. And y'all see my lashes though? I really just keep saying that, but y'all really not seeing what I'm seeing. Like, this is crazy. But yeah, y'all, so we're about to go to the gym. I'm gonna vlog a little bit. I told you guys that I was gonna go to the gym earlier.
Hey YouTube fans, I just wanna let you know the grind doesn't stop.
Okay.
I'm about to go to the gym, me and my wife, and you know, just subscribe and help me get to 100 subscribers. Cause
Yeah.
grind don't stop.
You wanna be me so bad.
How do you feel, white tire?
I feel like crap. Just kidding. Feel good. I'm stretching right now, y'all. Like, yeah, so y'all need to stretch after you run. We got the workout in. We stopped at In-N-Out. He wanted to get some food. But yeah, y'all, I'm just wanted to talk. Like, I've been going to the gym, physical therapy, all that. I do have something in the works that I'm sure most of you guys are gonna be excited about. And yeah, like, I'm just continuously just trying to get better, y'all. Like, especially my leg and everything. Like, I just want to be the best version of me, like how I used to be, and just get this leg together, because it's so difficult, y'all, like starting from scratch and when your leg is really weak. And my leg, like, it pops and I just don't know like what that is. Like, every time I'll bend and come up, like, say I'll shoot the ball, like I'll bend and come up and it'll just pop. So like I don't know, y'all. I just want to get better, y'all. I just want to continue to be, you know, on my shit. But yeah, that's really all I wanted to talk about. I do have some things in the works, like I said, and yeah, y'all. So I'm not getting no In-N-Out. He's eating. I just want to water because it's like 11 o'clock, about to be 12. That'll stick on me. So starting back my diet, y'all. It's been really hard. I've been eating like crazy, making food and stuff, and I'm like, I'm not finna just make food and not eat my food. I'm finna eat my food. So I probably gained a little bit of weight, so I gotta go back on my diet, back on it. We back on it, y'all. So yeah, I just wanted to stop and talk to y'all.
It's connected to you.